What's going on, YouTubers? In today's how-to video, I'll be showing you guys how to bring new life to your razor blade within seconds. Stay tuned. Stop throwing money away on the new razor cartridges. In this video, I'll show you a simple method to sharpen or realign your razor blades so they'll last 3 to 5 times longer. No tools, no gadgets, no gimmicks. Just quick technique, and you can do this all at home within seconds. All you're simply going to need is what you probably already have is a leather belt, okay, a pair of jeans. So method 1, method 2, and I'll be talking about method 3 as well. So all you're simply going to do, so you ask yourself, when your knife gets dull, do you throw it away? Of course you don't. You sharpen it, right? Same case with the razor. So the razor blade industry is a $12 billion a year industry, and this is something they probably don't want you to know about, okay? My father taught me this many years ago, and I've been using it since, and I'm sure glad I know this method. I'm going to teach you guys how to do it as well. So all you're going to simply do, now if you're shaving, right, you always go in this direction, right? But to sharpen it, just like you sharpen a knife, you're going to go in the opposite direction. So take your leather belt, okay, that's method number 1. Not the direction you're shaving, take your belt, of course, and go in this direction 20 times. Okay, that's going to give you a quick, fast edge. If you don't have a leather belt, you can also take a pair of denim and do the same thing 20 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20 times. And trust me, once you put it on your skin, compare to the before and after, and you'll surely see the difference. Now, if I had a microscope and can show you how much sharper this is, I could really do it, but the proof's in the pudding. Try it yourself and leave in the comments how you feel that, you know, this method really helps. Now, the last method is right up against your skin when you're in the shower and it's wet. All you're simply going to do is go 20 times like this against your palm or your skin, just in the opposite direction as you're shaving, right? 20 times. And this is just the same method as using like a strop as you're like basically sharpening your knife. It puts a fine edge on your razor blade again. So even if you're in the shower, and it doesn't matter if you're wet, just go against your skin, maybe against your palm or whatnot, right? 20 times, then put it back against your skin, and you're gonna definitely see the difference. So try it yourself. Let me know what the results are, because for me, it's worked phenomenally in the last 20 years I've been doing this. I want to thank you all for watching. Leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I got many more how-to videos like this that saves you time and money. Peace out.